Hello, techies. Alright, so we are in lab 6.6.4, and we are going to configure account password policy. So you have been asked to perform administrative tasks for a computer that is not a member of a domain. So to increase security and prevent unauthorized access to the computer, you need to configure specific password and account lockout policy. So in this lab, your task is to use the local security policy to configure the following password and account lockout policy. So we're going to configure password settings so that the user must cycle through 10 password. Alright, so let's just start up. In case you find this video to be too fast, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video and work at your own pace. So let's wait for the lab to load so that we can start up. Alright, so the lab is loaded, so let's start with the first task. So we go to Start menu and we select Windows Administrative Tools. Nope. So we select Local Security Policy and Security Policy Password Policy. Enforce password history, and this we're going to change this to 10. So we're going to apply this and click OK. I'm going to maximum password age. So for this, we're going to change this to 90. And we're going to apply and click OK. So we go to maximum password age properties. So this is going to be 14 according to the instruction we're given. So apply, click OK. And let's go to maximum password length. So maximum password length 8. So click apply and OK. Password must meet complexity. So we're going to enable this and apply OK. So we go to account lockout. I'm going to change this to 5. Click on apply. Click on OK. And we'll go ahead and click OK here. So we go to account lockout duration. So for this, it's going to be 60. So we click on apply and OK. So go to reset account lockout after properties. This is going to be 10. So click on apply and click on OK. So if you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Comment a question below in the comment section if you have any. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Successful.